Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are in the London borough of Hillingdon near Hayes in West London. So without further ado, let's take off. So yeah, this is my 32nd London borough that I'm flying in. So I've flown all London boroughs now. So now I can say I've flown my drone in every single London borough, which is actually insane. So now I can make a montage of every single London borough that I've flown in. So it's a pretty industrial area. I came here from Hayes and Hollington. I walked a bit. I might walk back on the way while doing this drone flight. But yeah, it's just an open area. We're just going to see the area first, and we're just going to go elsewhere. Alright, so let's do the 360-degree photo. Photo is complete. Let's just explore this area. I haven't flown in this borough yet because most of this borough is covered by two NFZs. One is the London Heathrow's NFZ, and one is the Norfolk NFZ. So there's two major NFZs. Even though it's a big borough, most of it's covered by the NFZ. So this is the only place where I could fly. And it's a really big country park. I could walk there, but it's a bit of a long trek, so I think I'm just going to take my drone there instead. Let's explore this little area up here. Let's see where that leads us. So we got a place over here. It's like an industrial area. It's called Minute Country Park. Minute Country Park, essentially. It's an industrial area, this place. Look at that. Proper industrial, this place. Then we've got the residential area. And we even got trains coming past there. We've got the GWR coming past, and we've got the Elizabeth line coming past as well. We'll explore that area in a bit. That's an area called Southall. I might fly in the next drone flight, or maybe I can take my drone from here. I'll see, but we'll just come back here for now. It's quite a big area, really big country park. Look at that, amazing shot. Look at that. Massive. We've got a lot to see here, literally. We've even got this side. Let's go towards this side. Yeah, there's not much to see down here. What I'm going to do, let's just come back to this little area. There's a road right here. Let's get a tour of the road. It's got the same speed as them. I'm probably going faster, but we can still track it. Because we can tilt the camera, it's like we're catching up with the car. Unreal. We basically are catching up with it. We've got this shot of the Elizabeth line, look at that. Insane shot. Going a bit slower because of the wind. And you know, you can see the Heathrow planes land up from here, look. The airport's just, we're literally as close as we can get to the airport, which is actually insane. Of course, it's NFZ, so we can't fly there, but we're as close as we can get to the airport. Oh yeah, this is where the NFZ starts, by the way. It starts in this area, so I can't go past here. I can only go as far as here. Then then the drone gonna tell me that the NFZ starts. Yeah, the NFZ starts right there. So yeah, we can't go further than that. So what we're gonna do. What should we explore now? Let's come back towards the area down here where we're flying. I hope I don't drop my mic here. If I drop it here, game over, because there's a long grass here. When I dropped it in when I was flying in Hackney, that wasn't even that bad. Now here, if I drop it here, we'll go towards this area. There's a dead end right there, so I can't walk down there. I have to go all the way around now. That is annoying. I just walked up and realised the dead end. So I have to walk all the way around to get a nice shot. Oh, there's another dead end here. This area, it's got a lot of spiky stuff. I'm on this hill now. Let's go down here. Gotta be careful. We've got a freight train right here as well. Let's go towards this area down here and cross the road. You know what, let's look at that. Sick shot. Keep going down. We've got this roundabout right at the end. Get a shot of that roundabout. Ring roundabout, look at that. So sick. We'll go around. Look at that, look how fast our drone's going. Even got Sainsbury's in this area. Don't want to get copyrighted from the song. I'll walk away from that. Look at that shot, look at that amazing shot. I'm across the road now. With care. We'll go down the other way. Come back around this way. I'm getting some sick shots of the road down here. Wait a minute, gotta go. I'm gonna go down and get a nice shot. Look at that, sick shot. That is an amazing shot. Let's go to the other side now. Let's go towards the train area. Let's get a shot of the train. So there's a train right here. Look at that. Sick shot. And you've got the Grand Union Canal right here. Could have taken off in the canal, look at that. Could have done a canal walk. But probably just, I was actually thinking about that, but it was a bit narrow to take off. I don't want to have the drone land in the water. It's probably, I'm experienced with landing anyway, so nothing to worry about. Right, let's go to the other side now. I haven't explored this side. Let's do that now. All right, let's go past. We'll go down here. There's an industrial area down here. Let's get a shot of that as I walk back. You can see me right there. I'll go past. Get a shot of this little industrial area down here. That's where the NFZ starts. It starts near here, but we can quickly get a shot of this and then we just land straight away. Only thing is there's a lot of stuff in this area. We can go down here, look, we've got a Matalan. What is that, Matalan? We go down this area. Then we'll do is just land the drone now because the battery's a bit low. I should have gone down there before, but it's too late now. There's a lot of dust flying around in this area. It's an industrial area. We can get a local shot though. We can go down here. We even got a shot at Elizabeth line. Let's get a shot at Elizabeth line. Look at that. Amazing shot. There's even a tarmac thing here as well. Alright, we're just gonna land the drone now. So, drone's right here. Anyway, I'm gonna land the drone now. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in the London Borough of Hillingdon. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.